Oh, just by good luck, we had a dozen monks, all with degrees in teaching. And just by luck, we had a young man, Father Ed, who was crazy enough to say, well, I'll lead this. We'll make this thing work together. Just by luck, you had a bunch of men who, as Benedictines, were vowed to stability of place. They weren't going anywhere. They showed that. Just by luck. Well, yeah, you could say that, but that's, look at what I'm wearing. There's no such thing as luck. Surely in this story, it makes sense. It makes so much more sense to say, no, this is the hand of the Lord in here. I surely don't want to take credit, with Father Edwin. So, oh, you guys you did such a great job. You made this whole thing happen. And I said, I know you're kidding. How could this whole thing that's happened be just the work of 12 guys who didn't really know what the heck they were doing in the first place, right?